Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the application icon's name in your home screen. So in case you want to rename any particular application's icon, then this video is for you. So let's see how to do this. The first thing you need to do is simply click on hold onto that particular application to which you want to edit the name of. So for example, I will choose Play Store this time. And here you can see once I have hold on to this, I can see this option of edit. So simply click on to this edit button, and from here I can change the Play Store name. So for example, I want to rename it to Game Store. And once that is done, simply click on the save button, and here you can see that it has been successfully renamed to Game Store. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.